First, the top stories. Manpack announces Manipur total shutdown in protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Winter session of Parliament from Monday. Government set to push Citizenship Bill. And PCC continues relay hunger strike for second day. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manpack has announced for an 18-hour Manipur total shutdown beginning midnight of November 18. This strike is in protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill, Manpack said. Talking to the press at Kwakethel Girls High School, Kwakethel Bazaar, convener of Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, Manpack Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar stated that the decision to launch fresh agitation against CAB was taken after the bill was included in the business list to be passed in the winter session of Parliament at a time when uncertainties looming over Indo-Naga peace talks. Dilip Kumar said that as a part of the fresh round of agitation, a mass public meeting will be held at Khwairamban Ima Kaithal tomorrow, which will be followed by a Manipur total shutdown beginning midnight of November 18. He appealed to the masses to take part in the meeting and support the strike. He also said it is not the time for MPs and MLAs to stay calm over the Naga peace talks.
Tang taraga nipan dana sin protest tauba aduga tang taraga nipan gi midnight tagi mathang gi tang taraga mapan gi numida waram pung taruk phauba hairiba total shutdown ama Manipur gi mapam punamakta laigani masi CAB sanaba yaroi amsung CAB asina aikhoi gi laijariba Manipur gi yelhomi sing punamak asibu muthallakana namhallakanda mapan gi mioi sing adu loksellakanda aikhoi gi oiba Kudong Java Punamak, Aikoyoiba, right Punamak, Namahatana, Tangani, Habisiki, Mayokta, Aduma Kongjang and Sanction Gadabani, Tuhatpam, Sungakoibo, Mangan Nanabagi, Silla Iba Sigumba, Kongtanga say, India government Sigumba, Yamna, Kanglum Naiva Topsel, say, Masik Mayokta, Manpena, Zapsan Lepi, Adugai Punamak, Zap, Manana Masitanga Ba, Habis says that Manpumiam Nasu, Punamakna. Masida Tawat Pew, Amasung Iko Punamaki Tawdang Pangmin Rasi, Haidana, Manpumiang from the Tamjaling.
Meanwhile, talking to the press, President of Notice Forum for Indigenous People NEFIP Ningthoza Lancha expressed shocked at the centre's attempt to pass CAB, taking advantage of the unrest situation in the state over Indo-Naga talks. Lancha described the bill as genocidal for the indigenous people of the Northeast. Lancha lamented that the bill is going to be presented without any changes and consulting the stakeholders of Notice despite the assurance that a special clause will be added for the reason.
Like-minded social organization oina regional gi thakta leiriba achow body sing students ki body sing Northeast students organization guma mayam siga punna collectively akoi opposed to Minaba Highness Yare, Loinana, Akogi MP, Aduga Akogi Legislative Assembly Singi members in the Su, Haiba Bill say opposed to Bada, Masida, Choi the Namak, Sharuk Yabu, Masibu Yaning the Fondo Piu, Haidana, Haizaba Highness Yanare, Aduna Aroibada, Nefipna, sincerely appeal to the people of the Northeast to study, support, and struggle for the cause. Hariba, I couldn't sanction la kato be kongjang si dangta, Miamna, awang nopoki Miamna, Naina Pirakanda, Aduga Madubu, Shogat Pirakanda, I could get Lantang as a sanction minerasi, Haidana Adumana Tamjari.
The winter session of Parliament will begin from tomorrow. As per media reports, the government is set to push the Citizenship Bill in this winter session. Some of the issues which are likely to emerge in the Parliament are situation in Jammu and Kashmir, economic slowdown and unemployment. Besides the passage of the Citizenship Amendment Bill, the government also plans to convert two crucial ordinances into law during this session. One ordinance reducing corporate tax rate for new and domestic manufacturing companies to arrest slowdown in the economy and boost growth, which was issued in September to give effect to amendment in the Income Tax Act 1961 and Finance Act 2019. This is the second parliament session of the BJP-led NDA government, which returned to power with a greater mandate in the Lok Sabha elections. The relay hunger strike by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC entered its second day today. The strike is in demand of prompt disclosure of the recent Indo-Naga agreement and a special assembly session to discuss the peace talks between the Government of India and NSC and IM, which is now at the stage of conclusion. At the protest site, T. Mangi Babu expressed deep concern over the present edgy situation in the state. The State Congress says the territorial integrity is not negotiable. Mangi Babu further expressed discontentment over what he said the silence maintained by the state government, despite the fact that the centre is going to initiate a fresh move to introduce the controversial Citizenship Amendment Bill in the winter session of the Parliament, which begins tomorrow.
Government Manipur state sida amuk linkhalakpa taragadi adu orgadi Manipur government che parallel government leibagi bhapta laani adu ki mathakta adungba council lama semakpa khangde kari khangde torpu matam dadi mamai thangdadi Manipur se ani thongna kaibi yabagi maru hondu pot ama orakani aduna maram oraga ekhoina madu punamakto hojiktagi hongna section laga masigi waroi sin poraktringa gi mamangda Madung Mamayam Singado Koina Loina, she Tinghong Damakani Koina, she Sanklebo Kongjangas.
CPI Manipur State Council Secretary L. Sotin Kumar to the claim that the state government's failure to convene a special assembly session is due to a discord within the ruling party BJP. Talking to media persons at the CPI Manipur State Council office, Irabad Bhavan, Sotin Kumar also questioned the motive of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh for keeping mum over the prevailing thorny issues besieging the state. He maintained that the centre's assurance with regard to the upcoming Indo-Naga pact is ambiguous, considering the fact that the recent Indo-Naga agreement is yet to be divulged to the public. Sotin Kumar also expressed serious concern over the controversial CAB, which is likely to be tabled in the Parliament tomorrow. He termed it as unfortunate that the state government is organizing the Sangai Festival 2019 at this crucial phase the state has been passing through. He announced that the CPI will boycott the festival and also appeal to the public to stay away from it.
Biren Sarkar da akanba Saina Pirakadra haina mahak phawi Assembly Kaura Matung the Moy Masen Yimarakta Yanadaba NPF na vote pir oidra haibagi akiba moy phawi Assembly Kaura Kanda Moy Masen Yimarakta nakpak ta narakadra haibagi akiba moy adum phawr ga lei Manamaduna Sarkar se masi Assembly Kaubungamde Cabinet akan warip loroga center the pressure pibangamde Aduna masi Sarkar se yarim gai miyam gi hose nathaina nabagi damakta irang de itakta tawhanna bagi damakta Sangai Festival da karida lupaga madu the miyam se masi aranba wakanda tawnaba madom da honargalai Citizenship Amendment Bill chana handanaba madu mayok da koi fight tawgani loinana ekoi gi framework agreement sina ekoi da pirakadaba yam sati ba chaitheng kaya sigi mayok da koi chapchana thenagani.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, Manipur team returns to Manipur after Bangladesh visit.
SS Enterprises ta miyam gi damak leizare makhal makha kyagi sound lights teas amadi tent house ki polam sing makhal khuding makki light amadi luhong khongdong bagi polam sing gi damak 10% discount pijari. Akupamarol gidama contact tobiu SS Enterprises Kiamgai Khoirom Laikai near Youth Social Club. Contact number 8837218002.
Special discount to welcome the winter of 2019. 10% discount on labor charge. 5% discount on spare parts for Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires. Free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting, 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors, Airport Road, near Comprehensive Concept School, 795001. Contact number 9366 508 258.
Khanghanjaba ngasi tang taraga manga tha taramathoi lisingani taraga mapan ing irai numit asida nungsijaraba leibak miyam amadi salai gi shareholder stakeholder singi mafamda salai holdings private limited ki maikei dagi wafam kharadang nolukna ningsingjari kanagumbi singna social media da lana pau sandok piduna salai bu miyam da amadi shareholder stakeholder singda lana uhan kiba yaba maung amata tobidana ba nolukna ningsingjari hojik sathariba investigation asi hek loibaga salai gi unit sing karamba matamda hangani haiba miyam punamakta media gi khuthangda soidana khanghanjagani matam adu fawbudang khwai punamakna pungning phathabiduna salai gi unit sing hanagong function tobangai minasi haina khwai punamaki mafamda nolukjari khanghanjari ba salai holdings private limited.
Welcome back after the break. After visiting Bangladesh, the Manipur team today returned to Manipur. The Bangladesh tour began on November 10th. The visit was meant to meet Meitei diaspora in Bangladesh and build a healthy relationship. The trip was named as Igi Khongul Langdaiwari. During the visit, the 70-member Manipur team, comprising of actors, singers and directors, visited Benugas and Silhet, mostly resided by Meiteis and Muslim Meiteis. Speaking to media proprietor of Arun Enterprises, Thangzam Arun said that the Meiteis in Bangladesh still preserve the Meitei cultural heritage and celebrate traditional festivals. During their stay, the team also played a friendly football match with Meiteis there. Arun expressed hope that the visit will strengthen the relationship between Manipur and Bangladesh. He further said that such trips should be organized more in the future and appreciated Manipur for the visit.
Handaki Kongsida China Yamna Maruri Vidika Haikanda, Hanadagi, Equiga Bangladesh, Chino, Sinsiga, Equiga, Lainariva, Marise, Hena Chesila Kadoribani, Hena Hana, Akoi Pagala Kadova, Akoi Nushina Bichangsu, Hana Lembatak, the Hen Hengalakani, Akoi Manipur Ladiva, Akoi Manipuri Sinsiga, other Bangladesh Ladiva, Chino, Sinduga, Marise and Pagalakani Habagi, Wapalon the College, Yamna Mai Papa Kongsina and Akoi Tamzage.
In support of the Kokumi-led protest in the state, Purai Romba Kaithel Nupi Seva Committee and shopkeepers of Konung Mamang jointly staged an alert demonstration today at Palace Compound, Imphal. It was held under the banner, Naga Peace Talks Final Settlement Must Not Harm the Territorial Integrity of Manipur. They displayed various placards. The demonstrators also form a long human chain.
Magi Nagagi Oiba, Pangam Toko di Pizaga, Manipur Oiba, Pumbe Satamze. Masikai handing daba. Maseda Koyi Saka, Manipur Sakagi, MLA Hompuze, Masina Pango, and Leve Moda, Levasiki, Miam now, Jutani, Tamoy Tumbata Kangana, Lailing a Piva Masida, Pazagi Kangna, a Pavamong the Tabak of you, she has any.
Thanga Apunbangam Kaikan Belop staged a sit-in protest in support of Kokumi at the Thanga Chingla Community Hall, Bisnupur district. The protesters also formed human chain and raised various slogans. Meanwhile, Sekmai Protection Committee SPC and Awang Sekmai Advanced Women's Society have begun an indefinite ban along Imphal Dimapur Road protesting against alleged land encroachment by the army in Sekmai area of Imphal West. Vehicles were off the National Highway 2 and shops and market remain shut in the area due to the strike which began at 6 a.m. The two local organizations are opposing encroachment into any part of Awang Sekmai by the Indian Army. The organizations have pledged to intensify agitation in case the Manipur government fails to take up a positive step to sort out the issue at the soonest time possible. Reena Pebam Bhavsar, the title holder of Mrs. International Queen 2019 and Mrs. Beauty with Purpose 2019 at the Mrs. India Empress of the Nation contest held at Pune in September last, today presented gift items to the children of Chanura Lekol Children Home located at Kurai Kongpa Laistram Lekai, Imphal East. Reena also interacted with the inmates. Rina Pebam-Bhavsar is set to represent India in the upcoming Mrs. Icon World 2019 to be held from November 23rd to 26th at Mumbai. The Chingmi Tammi Sinmi loop of National Highway 37 of Patsoi to Sejang today staged a protest rally against banning of sand and stone quarry by the state government. It may be mentioned that there are a lot of laborers engaged in sand and stone quarry along the long stretch of Imphal-Jiribam Road, National Highway 37. The protesters appeal to the state government to lift the ban before Christmas.
Handak se thodok thok pasida akhoi nung thingbi base akhoi driver ta toraga paisa ta laga imung pu bane hoji Christmas manak jore angang singi su paisa am chen timing ne ado mari leina base authorities na si maram sida akhoi nung se ayaba pi daradi akhoi sidagi se mathang chatthaba da akhoi se awaba se sum hinjilakane aduga mari leina ba authorities na sinung se athing base yaraga di lokthok pi daradi akhoi se sum hinjina war ka dubne ha se mayam da authority da appeal toning bane
Suriba kano se khar kom thok han biu natraga de hojik matam Christmas matam soire ekhoi gi damakta paisa yam changbo matam kumhai gi matam yodora banina government na authority na sigi kumhai sigi damak yengbiraga sigi kano se athing basi khar kom thok piu ana kano TOMTV gi maikai degi appeal tawjarak pai.
Coordinating Committee Jiribam on Manipuri Integrity, Kokzumi today organized an alert protest demonstration at the Samu Punbi Community Hall in Jiribam district. Women folk of Samu Punbi and Sorok Atingbi Kunok took part in the protest. S. Renubala Devi, one of the demonstrators, pledged that women folk of the area will follow the joint Kokomi in its agitation for safeguarding the territorial integrity of Manipur. She urged all 60 MLAs of the state to convene a special assembly session to discuss the issue surrounding the Indo-Naga talks. Pakhang Bus Services and M. Manglem Charitable Eye Clinic in collaboration with Loitang Khunau Young Sport Association jointly organized a one-day free eye camp at Loitang Khunau Mamanglekai. The eye camp was organized under the aegis of Manipur Finance Services. More than 100 local people turned up to the eye camp.
Masigi mamang do October thada ikoi lilong chajing Imphal West da ikoi si ahan ba oina pangthok chakre aduga mathang da masi pangthok chari basin ani subani pakhang ba services ki makha da leriba Manipur Finance Service na akoi gi oiba ngamjabada leidana tawbani masida free da koina puthora aganda pira aganda gomel gi oiba mating da gi koina pre medical camp sit tawjabana sade koina ngamjabadu gi funding do puthok chara kanda koi lekai sida chat la kanda koi smaina free medical camp sit akoi chatha.
Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Mina, aingonda hangi. Shooting the scenery ba chemical me amduga. Nangi samdo. Kamaina sokhandana thamme. Aina kome. Mahusagi kudolni. Imaging hi holistic enterprise gi parameter kuntraga mapanda laboratory test tawraba numit humpuga mangani thamba yaraba agribusiness incubation center ICAR na promote tawba Manipur da ahanba herbal shampoo samgi si de hidak imaging hi lujabana sam manam tahali phajahalli sam kenba kanna pokhoba lupau thangba sam maton pokhaibadagi kanba ngammi samgi si de hidak imaging hi
Nanai Day Spa and Salon. Special offer to welcome winter of 2019. 30% discount pijari. November gitang taratagi kun faub khaktamak pijaba discount ne. Pijariba services singde haircut, facial, hair spa, foot detox, microneedling treatment for face, body spa and scrub, far infrared sauna for detoxification asinachingmani. Extra charges yaudana yumda laktuna service su pijari. Ayuk pung taradagi numidang wairam pung taruk phauba hangjari. Ngasi maglengsin birau Nanai Day Spa and Salon. New Chekon Road, SBI ATM Building near Globis. Contact number 0385 244 7383 Natraga 244 7385.
इरमदम द फंगबा पोलम सिंगना इरमदम असिमक्ता द साजबा कंगला गी पोलम सिंग फंगबिरगनी लुहोंग पंथाना लाकपदा मियाम गी दमक लेजरे लैम कबोक लोइनना लुहोंग बगी याखनब डिस्काउंट सु इजरी अकुप मरोल गी दमक कांटेक्ट टोबियु 8131877217 नत्रगा 9612056941
Kangla kabok chabiyu yamna hawbani.
Kangla lैम कबोक
Yang ware.
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance. Rebalance na haksang sol amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Welcome back. Journal Education Office ZEO Jiribam under the aegis of Department of Education S and Department of Transport Government of Manipur organized a quiz competition at PWD Guest House Babupara Jiribam today. The competition was held under the theme Know Your State. ZEO Jiribam Thaudam Amurasi Chanu said 9 student competitors of the quiz will be selected for a helicopter ride to Imphal on November 19 along with a ZEO official and a lady guide teacher. Assure Asset Advisory Private Limited, India Infoline and HDFC AMC jointly organized the largest investor meet of Northeast India at Classic Grand Imphal yesterday. Head of India Infoline Sanjeev Bhasin took part in the meet where he talked on various related topics. Speaking at the meet, Sales and Marketing Head of Assure Asset Advisory Private Limited, Ruhen Kumar Maibam, asserted that the event was held to discuss the difference between investment and saving. He also maintained that Manipur still lacks financial education.
Academic education jina hoja koi mayam chana riba mayam sine financial education de koi notice ki nasu yam nemaga leibai tare aduna haiba sugum mayam se koi na kitang doisu backup ngamgadra haibagi mayam da haiba sigi awareness se koi sinjabani haiba sijna koi gi awareness na public sing da ngasai gi ina haje khiba koi gi khenaba investment amasung saving gi khenaba se adugi moti ngasi koi na sinjara pojin da su mayam da service ngasi for the last 2.5 years koi nearly sahi ahung gi me da pijara ga lai
43 Assam Rifles Battalion, Moreh today felicitated retired rifleman Sarkidhan Thapa of Fort Assam Rifles on his 103rd birthday at IB 43 Assam Rifles Complex, Moreh. Commandant of 43 Assam Rifles, Moreh Sumit Sood, Major Akshay, Major Parvesh Kumar along with several ex-servicemen attended the event. Commandant Sumit Sood honored Sarkidhan Thapa by presenting him a simple gift at the function. Sarkidhan Thapa was also given a veteran award in honor of his excellent service, receiving medals of Burma Star and the Burma Silver Star in 1930 to 1945. As a part of the 66th All India Cooperative Week Celebration 2019 that kicks off on 14th of this month, a program on the theme Strengthening Cooperation Among Cooperatives was held today at the conference hall of the Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited, All Assembly Road, Imphal. The event was jointly organized by Manipur State Cooperative Union, Registrar of Cooperative Societies Manipur, Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited, Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank Limited and Manipur Women's Cooperative Bank Limited. Addressing the gathering, IAS Robert Katrimayum underlined the need of exchanging ideas, thoughts and vision among the cooperators. He also expressed concern over unhealthy competition among cooperators in the state. Robert also stressed on the need for maintaining cooperation with outside cooperators.
Society da ju mina masing thanarak pa mana midong miwon da mati koi miwon da adi koi mapan tango dramnina adagi nawet ki lakai ki khungi kari kari I paw singsu minna singak pa adagi ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯗꯨ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯑꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯋꯥꯍꯟꯊꯣꯛ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡꯉꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯦꯕ
President of Manipur State Cooperative Union L. Tompisak Singh, Director of ICM Imphal Dr. N. Ranjana Devi and Chairperson of Board of Directors Manipur Women's Cooperative Bank Limited L. Punyavati Devi attended the event. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma met Union Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi and discussed with him some issues including the Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB. According to media reports, during his meeting with the Union Home Minister, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma was accompanied by Deputy Chief Minister Prashton Tinsong. The bill has been listed to be tabled in the upcoming winter session of Parliament, which will commence from tomorrow. The Chief Minister also discussed with Shah the proposed 6th Schedule Amendment. Tem Leo Monglong Switzerland issue besides other important issues. He also invited the Union Home Minister to come and inaugurate the Police Academy in Meghalaya. India successfully conducted the first night trial of nuclear-capable intermediate-range ballistic missile Agni-2 from the Abdul Kalam Island off the Odisha coast yesterday. The Strategic Forces Command of the Indian Army test-fired the versatile surface-to-surface medium-range nuclear-capable missile from launching complex 4 of the integrated test range last evening, defense sources said. Developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, the missile has already been inducted into the armed forces. The 20-meter-long, two-stage ballistic missile has a strike range of 2,000 kilometers. It has a launch weight of 17 tons and can carry a payload of 1,000 kg, the sources said. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, a 13-member team of All Jiribam Athletic Association comprising of 8 boys, 3 girls and 2 coaches today left Jiribam for Andhra Pradesh to participate in the 17th National Inter-District Junior Athletic Meet 2019 to be held from November 22nd to 25th at Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Tracksuits and monetary assistance were distributed to the players and coaches of All Moirang Football Association (AMOFA) at Moirang Multipurpose High Secondary School ground today. The players will be participating in the Winners' Cup to be held under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. The tournament begins tomorrow. Proprietor of Machalema Stationery Moirang Lamkhai, Hemam Ongbi Chawwa Devi, Pukram Michael, Working President of AMOFA Moirang M. Raju Singh, Secretary of AMOFA K. Rameshwar handed over the tracksuits to the players and coaches in the presence of AMOFA officials. Secretary of AMOFA lauded the well-wishers for extending assistance and support. A Manipur belt wrestling team left Imphal today to participate in the 8th NTWFI National Traditional Wrestling and Pankration Championship 2019 to be held from November 21st to 24th at LB Indoor Stadium, Hyderabad, Telangana. The team was flagged off by social worker K. Hemchandra. The 35-member team includes President of All Manipur Traditional Belt Wrestling Association T.H. Norendro, Team Coach and Vice President T.H. Udoy Chan and Assistant Coach and TOMTV Correspondent Dr. H. Romain. Manipuri boxer L. Sarita Devi has been elected unopposed to the International Boxing Association's IBA first ever Athletes Commission to represent the Asian bloc. As per media reports, Sarita was in the running as sole candidate from the region. The commission features 1 male and a female boxer from each of the 5 regional confederations, namely Asia, Oceania, Europe, Americas and Europe. The 37-year-old is currently an athlete representative in the Executive Committee of the Boxing Federation of India. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Manpack announces Manipur total shutdown in protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Winter session of Parliament from Monday. Government set to push citizenship bill. And PCC continues relay hunger strike for second day. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.